like maybe so like we engage in a lot of discussions in class, and I would be extremely happy if he is able to share his perception, because even I would like to know that what is he thinking, or like whether he's able to grasp the concept or not. But when it comes to writing, he's done well. There is a lot of scope for improvement. He can do a lot better. uh, um, and like in general, like the contemporary relevance is extremely important, sir. So like no matter in which like which field you choose, or which career you want to like pursue, the generic understanding of society and social relevance is always important. And like it helps you build a lot of character also in life. So like maybe building his perception on certain things will definitely help him in future also. So like his class participation should definitely improve like in next semester.
More attention in terms of interaction, and if he starts reading and writing, all the areas will improve altogether.
Yes.
So he has scored 93.3%, an A1 grade.
Okay. I see these. I see these in him. Whatever you said, I know he's a little lazy when it comes to writing. I think that's what I've told Ria also at the time of orientation. Writing is something, a real challenge for me. To get him writing is really hard. He can speak a lot, he can have a lot of imagination, but when it comes to the paper and writing, he's like a little laid back.
So maybe he can just, before ending his day, he can start writing a paragraph about what all happened. And if not a paragraph, just write 5 things that he really liked and 5 things that he didn't like about the day. So this practice is not only for school but for his entire life. It really helps. So maybe diary writing or journal writing can help.
Sure, yes. He used to, but then there is no consistency in writing a journal. He'll be, in the previous school, there was something you need to write your diary and journal. He used to, but that consistency doesn't happen because,
actually,
it needs a push.
It takes time to develop this practice. Even I miss sometimes to write my journal at times, but I think if he works a bit hard, he can.
Okay. I appreciate your observation because that's exactly what I see in him.
I always just ask all of them, not even John, that whatever answer you feel, say it.
Yes.
What will be the worst? It will be wrong, right? Nothing worse than that. And giving a wrong answer is nothing wrong. At least you have tried something out
Trying
of
something.
I don't want an accurate answer that this should be the answer that you should be giving me. I'm not looking for that.
Correct.
I want that you should try for it at least.
That's what.
Do not be like hesitant about what others will think or what ma'am will think. Nothing about that. My is that you should try for it at least.
Correct.
Sometimes I feel that she struggles to put her thoughts in proper words, and then she wonders, what do I have to say? How do I say it? So that is where she needs a bit practice. She can learn this through public speaking, maybe write a poem, recite it on the upcoming Diwali functions, or just generally speak in front of your parents. So that will help her to boost her confidence to speak with clarity. And I have observed that she takes active interest in the classroom activities, especially the role play activities that I give her. So I know that she is interested in all these kinds of creative writing things. So she can maybe start public speaking.
Been attentive earlier. He was a bit distracted, but gradually he started his interest started to develop in the lectures. And also I would really agree with you on the fact that he's a very technical guy, and his creative sense is also very nice, because we did an activity in class regarding researching on a certain topic. I think it was something related to midday meals or something, and he researched it so well, and there were multiple aspects to midday meals. that even I was not aware of the fact. So he did a very detailed research, and I was thoroughly impressed. So that is why he has scored really very nice in the classroom activities. His follow-up work is mostly like he's regular with his follow-up work. Even his project was very nicely done. Somewhere in political science he has lost some marks here and there in applying and reasoning skills. Also, like he can work towards improving his writing.
Yes.
It's a bit readable. Otherwise, the rest is all good because he understands a certain concept, and I can say that because whenever I ask him a certain question, he's able to answer it. And sometimes he himself volunteered to read. Okay, so that is a good sign that he's taking interest. He wants to read, he wants to participate in class, and occasionally he answers himself also. So sometimes he initiates himself also. So that is fine. It's a good growth. Let's hope that the graph moves upward only. And,
Yes.
I'm satisfied with the way.
So I have observed that he is improving in every class, and that is a great strength. Like I gave them an activity. It was a group project. I think it was some dialogue play or something like that. So I think he either didn't show interest in making a group or performing with somebody. So I asked him that, Rohan, who is your partner? And he showed me a puppet. And I was surprised that, okay, this is something new. And he performed that activity with a puppet. He was, modulating his voice accordingly. So he was performing like two characters. So I feel that this creative side of his is really impressive. And he should explore this side more. And yes, he is slow in reading and writing, but I will completely excuse that because I know that these things will improve as he grows up. And I'm impressed with his speaking and his creative skills that he shows in the class. And he understands the chapter properly. I know that he gets the concept, the theme of it, because whenever I ask him, he knows what is going on. The only problem is that sometimes he gets distracted here and there. Sometimes he sends chats or, he sends requests to give remote control access or access to whiteboard or access to recording. So those things interrupt my class. But other than that, he's doing great. So